So how do you actually create a WordPress website? To create a WordPress website, we first need hosting, which is the server where all of our website files will be stored. This server is connected to the internet 24/7 so that your website will be accessible at all times. There are many different hosting providers to choose from. I've tried many of them, and the one that I now use and recommend is called Hostinger. With Hostinger, you can get WordPress hosting for as low as $3 per month. Plus, if you sign up using my referral link and enter the code MEDIXMedia, you'll get an additional discount. You'll find the link down below in the video description. Once we have our hosting, we can choose our domain name, which will be the name of our website. Then we can install WordPress. And by WordPress, I mean the actual open source software that is free to use. Once that's done, we can log in to our WordPress dashboard and go to the theme library. And there we can choose a theme which will give our website the basic structure and design. Usually, themes come with a set of professionally designed website templates that give us a great starting point for a website, and they're also fully customizable using a visual editor.